campaign against drug. I mean, as president, ginawa ko yan. It does not mean to say that you are free to kill, if you are free to rob and rape. Eh, pag sinabi kong campaign against drug, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basic, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. Not if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you. Kung ano yung sa isip mo, bakit mo ginawa yan, only you can answer that question. Pero yung policy nakikita ng tao, talagang akin yan. Pag sinabi ng pumasok yung mga pulis doon at pinilit nila yung pumasok ng isang building,